Today I'll show you how I made my entry for Benny's Halloween contest. An October without a Benny's Halloween contest?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No way. For this year, Benny provided us these 3 images of himself and we have to pick one, then turn it into a Halloween themed artwork. Well, I have a cool plan for this. Before that, let's take a look at the rules. Artwork must be in Halloween themed, we can only submit one edit, and the artwork must be in 4:5 ratio. Okay, make sure to watch till the end cause I have a task for you. So, let's get in Photoshop. First, as usual, I'm going to start with the environment. I found this rocky landscape. I thought it would be cool for the foreground. Also, I added this small mountain in the background to show some distance. After that, I added some background elements like this cement house and some trees to fill up the background. Then I started turning Benny into a beast, or a monster kind of thing. Well, this rat ears does not fit on his face, so I went for a manual liquify effect. After that, I tried some stupid effects on his face, but not good. I thought it would be cool to add this puppy leg to him, but later I figured out this is a waste of time. I placed Benny on the ground, then after that I erased one of his legs to look like it's behind the rock. I wanted him to hold a fire torch in one hand. For that, we need a closed fist. Made some shadows to fix the lighting. I placed a snake skin texture on his arms to make him look like a monster. After that, I added a bunch of rats to tell my story. First, this screaming guy on Benny's shoulder. Then this dead guy lying on the ground. This guy near him like, "Oh my friend." After that, a guy in the foreground and a guy in the background. Finally, the killer.
This bugger killed this poor little rat and ran away.
I added the sky and then I darkened everything to look like a night scene. Added some pumpkins because it's Halloween.
I love Halloween. After that, I added many more things to make the ground look like more busy. Then, the moon. A night scene without a moon. Now it's time to add some shadows and some color balance. Added this disgusting wound on the dead rat and a pencil to look like he's actually stabbed.
Added a flame on the torch so I can use that as a light source. After that I made some highlights and some light blooms to make everything pop. I thought it would be cool to add a tail. This is not in my plan, but let's see how it looks. After some final touches, here is the final artwork. Wow, not gonna lie, this turned out way better than I thought. Especially I love this screaming guy, he's like ah! There are so much details in this piece, go to my Instagram to see the full artwork. I said you have a task in the end, the task is find this Among Us sticker in this artwork. Find it and comment down where it is. So that's it, bye!